Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable Adobe Acrobat PDF for PDF edit, convert, sign, comment, edit, or delete any PDF document in Chrome browser without any stress. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you have extension. Then from extension, go to manage extension. All right, so this is going to pop up. Then right here you have Adobe Acrobat PDF edit, convert, sign tools. There are much more you can do with your PDF with Google Chrome with this particular Chrome extension. And for you to make use of this extension, what you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. And with that, you have enabled Adobe Acrobat PDF editor on your Chrome browser, where you can simply open any PDF document, edit PDF document without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.